some chunky chips. So do you want to go and wash one each? Shake in the oil and season the chips, then put them into an oven at 220 degrees or 200 degrees on a fan-assisted oven. So we're going to make our chicken nuggets. So we've chosen today Adlington chicken, which is all happily transparent and locally produced. You okay with that? Mm-hmm. Remember your fingers, okay? So while you're doing that, we've got some breadcrumbs. So I just basically put the bread into a blender. Cut the chicken into bite-sized chunks and crack 2 eggs into a bowl and put flour in another and breadcrumbs in the third. I'm going to use some Shipton Mill flour. Again, that's a local flour from Tetbury. First of all, we need to get a piece of chicken. I'll put it all in the right order. So it's flour, egg, and then the breadcrumbs made from the Hobbs house. So we just need to give it a little roll. And just roll it round in the breadcrumbs. And then we have a McHapperley chicken nugget. But at least you all know where everything's come from. So you know it's all fresh, you know where the produce has come from. It doesn't have any sort of additives to it. Okay, do you want to get added up when you do another one? You do that one then. It's good to try and do this with one hand so you have the other clean for anything you need to do around the kitchen, but the kids like to get a little messy. Put the chicken in with the chips for 20 minutes until golden brown. So next we'll make some coleslaw to go with it. You're going to put 3 tablespoons. Oh, 4 actually. No, that's okay. You need a lot. That's it. Yeah, you could chop it very finely, but like I would with the cabbage. But I find with the carrots it's easier to grate it with children. It's quick and it's easy. Into the mayonnaise, grate a carrot and half a courgette. Then finally slice half a white cabbage and sprinkle on some chopped spring onions. I think it looks alright. Cool. We'll put that in. What are we going to make? What are we making? What do you like to drink again? Milkshake. Right, so I've chosen Jessa's Ladies Milk. And we had this when we did our 7-day challenge, didn't we? And it's really lovely milk. It's really creamy. Yeah. Which the names saying again, it's happily transparent. But they also do amazing yogurts, don't they? Amazing plain yogurts and cream. So we shall put that in here, shall we? Chop 1 punnet of strawberries and add to a litre of milk. Then add 2 big scoops of ice cream and blend.